Hello, what's up guys? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening o kung anong oras ka mang nanonood sa aking video. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So ngayon, kung makikita nyo naman, gumawa ako ng Voodoo doll makeup look. And kung gusto nyong mapanood kung paano ko to ginawa, please keep on watching. First, I use the Sassy Lady Full Cover Concealer on my under eye, on my eyelids, and on my forehead. I just blend it out using my makeup sponge. And then I use the Sassy Lady Tinted Brow Gel for my eyebrows. I just blend the product using the spoolie to make it look softer para hindi ako magmukhang masyadong mataray. I clean the edges of my eyebrows using a concealer para mas magmukhang plakado ang aking kilay. I also put concealer on my eyelids, on my under eyes, on the side of my nose, on my nose bridge, and on my lips. I just blend it using my makeup sponge. I used the Unica PH lip cream in the shade Sassy for my eyeshadow. I get some product and swatch it on my wrist. I apply the product on my eyelids using a eyeshadow brush. I put concealer on the lower part of my eyelids and I just blend it out to make a cut crease. I use the glittered eyeshadow and tap it on the concealer. I also used the Sassy lip cream on my under eye and I just blend it. I will use this eyeliner stamp for my eyeliner. I also put some eyeliner on the inner corner of my eyes. I used the Unica PH Gel Tint in the shade Moody for my blush. And nashock ako kasi sobrang pigmented niya. And I just blend it out to make it look more softer. And ayan, okay na siya. Reminder lang guys, konting product lang ang ilagay nyo dahil sobrang pigmented niya. I will use this Unica PH clay blush for my lips and maglalagay lang ako ng contour using the Sassy Lady contour palette. I just put some on my cheekbone, on my forehead, and on my jaw to make it look more defined. Then I just contour my nose using the same product. And I will use a lip liner to overline my lips to make it look more bigger. And I will also use this Unica PH lip cream in the shade Sassy for my lips. And ayan ang ating finished product. Meron na tayong pouty lips. I use curl line grab incliner to draw the line on the middle of my face and on the edges of my lips. I put some contour on the side of the line to make it look more realistic. Using white eyeliner pencil, nag-draw lang ako ng mga dots sa side ng line. That will serve as a guide pag naglagay na tayo ng black eyeliner. And then, we will tap that white dot using a liquid eyeliner. Okay lang na hindi magkakaparehas ang size ng dot na magawa mo. And same process pa din, we will just add contour on the side of the dots to add shadow and make it look more realistic. I will use the white body paint to connect the dots. And then I will use the black eyeliner to make a shadow effect. And I will just repeat the process until all dots are connected. I put black body paint on the inner part of my lips. And then, same process, connect the dots using a white body paint. You need patience on doing this kasi mahirap siyang pag-connectin sis. Hindi ganun ka-pigmented yung body paint na gamit ko, kaya paulit-ulit ko siyang nilalagyan para ma-build up ang color. Tiyagaan lang sis. And then, nag-draw lang ulit ako using a white eyeliner pencil that will serve as my guide. I use the Unica PH gel tint in the shade Moody for the heart color. And then I just enhance the heart shape using a black eyeliner. I also tap the white eyeliner using a black liquid eyeliner. Same process on my face. Then I also put contour on the side of the line that will serve as a shadow. Then I also draw dots on the side of the line and I will connect it later. And then I just connect the dots using a white body paint. I just put black eyeliner on the side of the dots to build up the black color. And I will just fix my hair and I will be back.
And that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para maging updated ka sa aking mga susunod pang video.